Question number 6. The diagram shows a square-based pyramid OABCD. We're told that the sloping lengths here are all equal to 6 centimeters, and we're told that these lengths here, the base of the square-based pyramid, are each going to be equal to 4 centimeters. We need to work out the size of the angle between OA, so that's this sloping length here of length 6 centimeters, and the base ABCD, which has been conveniently marked X for us on the diagram. So in order to do this, I need to work out first of all what this length AC is. Okay, so if I start by drawing this triangle ABC, I know it's a square-based pyramid, so I know that if I draw this, this is A, this is B, and this is C, A, B, C, and we know that this angle here, because it's a square-based pyramid, is going to be a right angle. I also know that this length here is 4, and this length here is 4. Now, using Pythagoras, I know that this length here is going to be the square root of 4 squared plus 4 squared. So AC is going to be equal to 4 squared plus 4 squared square rooted, so 16 plus 16 is 32, so AC is going to be equal to the square root of 32, and the square root of 32 is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 2, which is 4 root 2. Okay, so this length here is going to be 4 root 2. Okay, so that's the length AC. Now, if I just call this point here M, that's going to be the midpoint of AC, I can form a right angle triangle OMA. So let's do that in a different colour. And I've got sorry about that. Okay, so I've got OMA that's going to look like this here. So this is point A, this is point M, and this is point O. And again, this is going to form a right angle triangle, and the angle between OA and AM is going to be the angle that I want, which is angle X. Okay, now I know OA, that's given to me, is going to be 6 centimeters, so that there is going to be 6, and I know AM because it's going to be half of AC. AC was 4 root 2, we worked that out earlier. So if AM is half of 4 root 2, it's going to be 2 root 2. Okay, so I've now got a right angle triangle, I've got an unknown angle, but I know the adjacent side and the hypotenuse side, so I know that the cosine of this angle X is going to be adjacent, we'll write that down, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which tells me that the cosine of the angle X is going to be equal to 2 root 2 divided by 6. So that tells me that X is going to be equal to the inverse cos of 2 root 2 divided by 6, or I'll simplify it as root 2 divided by 3. So using my calculator now, I can do the inverse cos of root 2 divided by 3. And that tells me that the angle is going to be 61.9 degrees to 3 significant figures. Okay, and there you go. So that's going to be the angle between OA and the base ABCD. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you next time.